few strong to severe thunderstorms possible overnight into early Wednesday morning. A cluster of showers and thunderstorms will move into western New England after midnight. The activity will spread eastward through the early morning hours. The primary time of concern is between 2 and 10 a.m., and particularly between 4 and 8 a.m. At the very least, brief heavy rain may result in some poor drainage or street flooding during the Wednesday morning rush hour, so allow extra time to reach your destination. A few strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible with localized damaging wind gusts. The highest risk for severe weather is across Connecticut, Rhode Island, as well as eastern Massachusetts, but cannot be ruled out across the rest of the region. Downed branches and perhaps some downed power lines are possible as trees are still fully leafed. In addition, there is a low probability of an isolated tornado. Please stay tuned to the National Weather Service for additional statements and possible warnings early Wednesday morning. Coastal flood advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Location: Narragansett Bay Area and Newport, Rhode Island to Westport, Massachusetts. This may include portions of Newark, Providence, East Greenwich, Wickford, Barrington, Bristol and Fall River shorelines. Coastal flooding: areas of minor coastal flooding likely. Timing: within an hour or two of the morning high tide, which occurs between 8 and 9 a.m. Impacts: vulnerable shore roads and perhaps even a few basements can become flooded near the time of high tide. A few shore roads may need to be briefly closed. A coastal flood advisory is issued for minor coastal flooding of the most vulnerable shore roads and shore basements due to the height of storm tide or wave splash over. The majority of roads remain passable with only isolated closures. There is no significant threat to life, and any impact on property is minimal.